Ganda, no? Shit. Look. Okay? Whew. Now. Magpakamatay dito, tatalon ka lang. Diyan kami mamaya, going to the underground river. And, balik kami after 2 hours, I guess. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.